Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I will detail how to create folder in Gallery Samsung. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the Gallery app on your Samsung phone. Then click on the plus button. Once you click on the plus button, you say album, auto updating album, group, shared album. Go ahead and click on album. Then give this a name. And then go ahead and click on create. Then you'll be prompted to select the photo you want to add to the album or folder you created. Select the photo, and then you can see you can move up to 500 photos to the album or to the folder. Click on done. Then click on move, and then you are good. So if you go ahead and open the folder you created, then you should see the photos you move to the folder, and then you are good. So that is basically how to create folder in Gallery Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.